ProStudy makes it easy to upload and capture information from various file types, like PDFs, Word documents, PowerPoints, Excel sheets, and more. To upload a file, go to the Files tab in ProStudy and click Upload, or drag and drop the file into the upload area. Once the file is uploaded, open it to start capturing content. Highlight the text or area you want to save, right-click and select Save Content. This creates a research tile in your selected project and category, complete with a link back to the original file. Files can be uploaded directly through the ProStudy browser extension, letting you stay on the web page you're working on, whilst keeping your workflow seamless and focused. Additionally, you can use the Research Assistant tool in the browser extension to summarize your uploaded files and identify key information.